Alright kids, time for breakfast. Dad's favorite, cereal. Hey guys, why don't we do Asian for lunch? I got noodles and spicy noodles.
No.
Hey guys, why don't we do popcorn for dinner, eh? No? No. Dad doesn't make pancakes. We're doing cereal and yogurt.
Hey Dad, can we have ham and cheese sandwiches?
Yes. Wait. We have cheese. Looks like we have enough bread for half of you guys to have lunch today. I forgot to order bread. Hey kids, how do you feel about popcorn for breakfast?
Banana snack.
Yes, your options are whatever this is, the carrots Dad cut up yesterday, and some spicy kimchi. You want some spicy kimchi? Hey guys, how do you feel about cold pasta? What about raw pasta? All right, this is my final offer. I found spaghetti.
No.
Dad, when's Mom gonna come home?
I don't know, man. Why don't we just order some pizza?
Yeah.